This is the blizzard of 2011, and Ira is Facebooking.
I'm Facebooking because I'm letting co-workers to know not to come to work tomorrow. How about that?
But more important than co-workers is the fact that Ira has in there, I'm going to zoom in. Ooh, oh, it's zooming in too much, so it's blurry. But hold on, just stop Facebooking for just a second and stick out your tummy. Hey you, stick out your tummy.
Just let me stand it.
Ooh. Okay, fine. You're not interested in showing us your tummy. She's even got pregnant pants on. Look at those pregnant pants. Pregnant pants.
Look at this Emichka.
You don't know it's Emichka. You have a spuntik inside you. This is what we know at this point. Okay, I only have 6 minutes of battery left, so I'm gonna go look at the snow. I'm gonna turn out the lights for a second. Well, super dark. Don't step on the cat. And right quick, we're gonna look outside at that. Look at that craziness. Some dumbass is trying to go down the street. Not very smart.
I want to see that too.
Hope you're not looking for a parking place, because guess what? They just drove down the street. And this walk I just shoveled like 2 seconds ago. Well, maybe an hour. That's an hour or 2. Okay. Gotta go to the back before the battery runs out. Oh. I know I'm making you sick. But look. Look at that. You can even hear it. They're talking thunder snow. Thunder snow. We've seen it. Thunder snow. That's the top of the garage. That looks like it has drifts of about 4 or 5 feet on it. Nah, maybe 3. This is kind of nutty. Okay, so Irina's asleep, but I just had to show you this. They've pretty much given up on plowing our street. Good morning. So this is the morning of the blizzard. And a couple cars have tried to make their way through, but it's pretty well blocked up, and the plows have not made their way through. And that is our front walk. Sidewalk. I'm gonna go downstairs and just see. That's the Weather Channel, or Channel 5. That's what it's looking like this morning. And let's just go take a look. Oh, lots of snow piled up. I wonder if we've got a great big drift down here. Snow wall. This is the front door. Good morning, snow.